SweatCoin. So if you don't know what SweatCoin is, make sure to go check the link in the description, sign up for that. You can get paid for walking, or even you can also get paid if you just refer people. You get 5 SweatCoins, which can, well, 5 SweatCoin dollars, which can add up. And if you refer about 100 people, or 100 people, you can make $100. Refer about 200 people, you can make $200. Or you can just walk around the block, keep walking around the block every day. I don't know what kind of person you are. If you like to exercise a lot, you can make a lot of money by just walking around the town. You know what I mean? But I will say, you know, walking is not the best way to make money. The best way to make the money is referring people, because the walking part or exercising will take forever, I'll be honest. And I've converted over 1 million steps with SweatCoin. This is SweatCoin right here. SweatCoin right here. As you can see, you know, I have a 1,500 SweatCoin balance. I've referred over, well, I've converted over 2 million steps too. I don't know if you can even see it, but I've converted over 2 million steps. And, you know, I've definitely made some money with SweatCoin too. So best way to do it is to refer people, and you'll get paid easily. Right now they have this little bonus right here. You get paid through PayPal. You can get $100 cash if you refer 100 people. Okay, and you get 2 days payout. And the max that you can get is about $1,000.